taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. We're supposed to eat them? Uno, dos, tres.
Yum. Very tasty.
Very nice. But there's one bumpy thing.
There is one bumpy thing. I
Exactly.
don't know. I'm swallowing
It's
it.
the optic nerve.
That was good.
Very nice.
I think it's vitamin.
You're going to eat fish eyeball.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Eat it. How do you like?
I get it. It's good.
Very nice. Do I press red button to stop?
Yeah.
Are mainly scavengers. The turkey vulture is a large bird. Its wingspan is 6 feet. Holy shit. And its head is featherless because it uses it to reach into the bodies of dead carcasses to pull out the parts it wants to eat. That's survival in the wild. So if we see people with bald heads, we know where they're sticking their heads. Did you hear this story?
Most of it. They have bald heads. They are different than a
Why do
eagle
they
because
have-
they are V.
Right. Why do they have bald heads?
Something about their prey.
And they stick their heads into the bodies of the dead carcasses. To pull out the parts it wants to eat.
And that way they don't get bacteria on their heads.
Very nice.